Now, students, after getting the idea that how an alkene forms alcohol, we are going to discuss about its mechanism. Okay, mechanism, that is preparation of alcohol from alkene. Okay, so let us begin. Students, basically the preparation of alcohol from alkene. Understanding this, it involves three steps. Okay, the reaction involves three steps. If we will talk about these steps, the very first step is protonation of alkene. Then the second step is nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Then the third step is deprotonation to form alcohol. Okay, so students, when it is asked in your exam that give the mechanism of formation of alcohol from an alkene, so you have to give the mechanism in this way. That is basically the mechanism of the reaction involves three steps. So now let us discuss each of them clearly. Students, talking about the very first, let me decrease the size. Talking about the very first step, that is protonation of alkene. So here you are seeing the word that is protonation. So protonation, you can better understood this. What is protonation? Protonation here is done basically to form carbocation. We are just forming carbocation, okay, so that the alcoholic group can attack on it. Okay, as alcoholic group OH is nucleophile and this center is electrophile, so it will attack on the carbocationic center. So for this, the very first step is protonation of alkene, and protonation of alkene is done in the presence of basically the hydronium ion. Hydronium is basically H3O plus. And how it is formed, student, you know, as we are the basic reaction is about the hydration. Okay, so here there is two thing in the reaction. For hydrogen there is water molecule, and as it is acid catalyzed there is H plus. So both of them combine together and form H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. And this hydronium ion react with the alkene. So suppose this is the alkene, so the hydronium ion will react with this alkene, okay, and the carbocation is formed by electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. Okay, what is the electrophilic attack of hydronium ion? Suppose as we have formed the hydronium ion, so for this there will be a positive charge on the hydronium ion, and what will happen, pi bond will behave like nucleophile. Pi bond will basically behave like nucleophile. This pi bond, okay, will attracted to this proton, and this proton is just then leaved, or you can say the pi bond just shift the proton, and the positive charge over oxygen is removed. Okay, basically oxygen takes the pi bond electron, and for this what you will see, that you can look here, for this you can look here, there is CH3 group here, and the CH2 becoming positive. Why? Because it is leaving the pi bond here, and the H3O plus is converting into H2O, where having lone pair of electron. Now students, talking about the second step, so the second step is basically nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. So here we have formed the carbocation. Now there will be attack of this water molecule on this carbocation. Okay, so when you are writing, don't start arrow from here and form the product. You have to write the new step, that is step second, which is nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Now for this what will happen is, students, you will take the carbocation and the water molecule, and as water molecule have the presence of lone pair, that is it behave as nucleophile, so it will attack to the carbocation. Okay, and as the water is behaving like nucleophile, so this reaction is also termed as nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation, and after this the product is formed, and this is the product where you can see there is CH3, CH2, OH2. Okay, and whenever we are writing H2O, and as the one lone pair is given to the carbocation for addition, so this will be behave like positive. Okay, and student, this is not a stable one. Okay, it is not a stable, it will generally want to lose one of the proton. So for this what will happen, we will come to the last step, that is a step 3, which is deprotonation to form alcohol. And performing deprotonation, basically what you have to do is you have to react this compound with water molecule, another water molecule, and what will happen, this lone pair will attract the positive center and leaving the H plus. Okay, what I am saying, you can see here, if we are reacting H2O with this protonated, or you can say the carbocation having OH2 group attached with it, you have to just, as it is nucleophile, it will react on the hydrogen, and this hydrogen will remove as H plus. So H plus is basically what? H plus is proton, and as we are removing the proton, you can see here we are removing basically this proton. This proton is removing from this skeleton, so that's why it is called deprotonation. Okay, so basically student, this is all about. Now you can see the alcohol is formed. Earlier it was OH2, now it is OH. So CH3, CH2, OH, that is ethanol. Okay, so this is about the mechanism of preparation of alcohol from alkene. From here student, if direct question is asked, then write the mechanism, then it is easy for you to write. Or it may change the reactant. It may ask that tell us about when butene is reacted, so for this butanol will be formed. When hexene is reacted, then hexanol is formed. Okay, so this is way you have to just solve your question. So thank you class.